Ready to witness the most powerful off-road beasts of 2025? From desert dunes to snowy trails, these vehicles are unstoppable. Let's dive into the thrilling world of next-gen off-road machines. 2025 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. The 2025 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000 XDR is the ultimate off-road companion, built to handle tough terrains and provide endless thrills. Priced at $28,000, it combines rugged performance with modern comfort for both work and play. This side-by-side utility ATV offers seating for 4, making it perfect for group adventures. It boasts class-leading ground clearance of 13.8 inches and exceptional suspension travel, 14.2 inches in the front and 16.9 inches in the rear. The result? A smooth and capable ride over even the roughest trails. Powered by a robust 999cc engine, it features Yamaha's Ultramatic V-belt transmission and an on-command 4-way locking differential. This setup delivers responsive handling across all terrains, from gentle turf mode to full 4-wheel drive with diff lock. For ultimate control and safety, the Wolverine RMAX4 comes equipped with Fox QS3 piggyback shocks, Maxxis carnivore tires, and dual hydraulic disc brakes. Whether you're climbing rocky paths or cruising through mud, stability is guaranteed. Long rides are no problem thanks to its 9.2-gallon fuel tank and spacious interior. With ample legroom and rugged features, it's a comfortable choice for adventurers and work enthusiasts alike. The 2025 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000 is more than just an ATV. It's your ticket to explore, conquer, and enjoy every trail you take. Polaris XP Edition. The Polaris XP Edition is an adventure-focused off-road vehicle. It's built for those who need versatility and rugged performance in extreme environments. This vehicle combines the utility of a side-by-side with the comfort of a traditional off-road vehicle. Whether you're tackling tough trails or exploring the wilderness, it's designed to perform. The Polaris XP Edition is powered by robust engine options. Its advanced suspension system ensures it can handle rough terrain while providing a smooth and controlled ride. It's also packed with innovative features. The customizable cargo space lets you carry everything you need for your adventures. Integrated storage solutions keep your gear organized and accessible. Inside, the spacious cabin offers modern comfort. It's equipped with integrated technology to keep you connected during your journeys. This makes it perfect for extended outdoor expeditions, hunting trips, or recreational off-road activities. The Polaris XP Edition starts at around $28,000 for the base model.
The Visuwa Tank is a unique vehicle designed for both fun and practical use. It can hit speeds of 80 km per hour and has room for up to 10 passengers. With a ground clearance of 580 millimeters and an engine that delivers up to 383 horsepower, it's well suited for off-road adventures or commercial tasks. Despite its rugged appearance, it's not a combat vehicle, but rather a sturdy and reliable machine. If you're curious, you can even book a test drive. The company hasn't revealed the official price yet, but estimates suggest it's around $76,000. Production is exclusive, with only 15 units made each year, making it a rare find. What's interesting is that you'll need a tractor driver's license to operate the Visuwa Tank, since it's a bit different from your everyday car.
Mud Ox Vengeance. The Mud Ox Vengeance is a powerful all-terrain vehicle, ATV, built to conquer extreme environments. Designed by Mud Ox, a company renowned for rugged amphibious vehicles, the Vengeance delivers exceptional performance on both land and water. At its core is an 85-horsepower General Motors (GM) engine, providing the power needed to tackle challenging terrains. Its hydrostatic transmission system ensures smooth, precise control, making it perfect for off-road adventures. The Vengeance is fully amphibious, capable of crossing rivers, lakes, and marshes with ease. It can carry up to 6 passengers on land and 4 in water, making it a versatile option for various activities. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, enjoying recreational outings, or taking on search and rescue operations, the Mud Ox Vengeance is engineered to handle it all. Rugged, reliable, and ready for adventure, this ATV sets a new standard for off-road versatility. BMW Dune Taxi, exhilarating off-road innovation. Meet the BMW Dune Taxi, an exciting off-road vehicle that was showcased in a stunning video shot in the Arabian desert. Although BMW hasn't officially linked this vehicle to rally or extreme E events, its performance and design make it a standout. The Dune Taxi is powered by a robust 400 kilowatts electric motor. This motor delivers an impressive 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, giving it the strength to handle intense off-road challenges. It's not just about power. This vehicle is eco-friendly, fitting perfectly with BMW's focus on sustainability. The Dune Taxi's body is crafted from natural fiber reinforced polymer, NFRP, a sustainable alternative to carbon fiber. This material not only helps the environment, but it also provides better vibration damping, ensuring a smoother ride on rough terrain. When it comes to handling tough landscapes, the Dune Taxi excels. It features 400 mm of suspension travel along with advanced shock absorbers, which keep it stable and controlled even on the most uneven surfaces. Whether it's sand dunes or rocky trails, the Dune Taxi can tackle it all. The video highlights its exceptional performance on the desert sand. While the playful taxi theme adds some fun, it's clear that this vehicle is designed for serious off-road adventures. Its sand driving capabilities are nothing short of impressive. Polaris Timbersled Ripper. The Polaris Timbersled Ripper, priced at $2,300, is the perfect snowbike kit for family fun and an easy entry into the world of snowbiking. Designed to convert 110cc dirt bikes, the Ripper offers excellent performance on and off the trails, suitable for riders of all ages and skill levels. Its 93-inch track and dual-arm Timbersled IFP suspension provide reliable traction and control on various terrains. The adjustable seat height ensures it can grow with riders, offering long-term use. Backed by Polaris's renowned engineering and support, the Ripper delivers a fun, user-friendly experience that turns every snow day into a lasting family adventure. Sherp UGV E-ATV. The Sherp UGV E-ATV is a revolutionary electric all-terrain vehicle built for the toughest conditions. Its amphibious design allows it to navigate both land and water with ease. This makes it perfect for tasks like search and rescue, firefighting, and logistics in remote or hard-to-reach areas. A standout feature of the Sherp is its pneumatic circulation suspension. This ensures smooth movement across challenging terrains, including marshes and deep snow. It's equipped with low-pressure tires that can conquer obstacles up to 1 meter high, making it unstoppable in extreme environments. Another impressive feature is its remote operation capability. The Sherp can be controlled from up to 10 kilometers away, providing unmatched utility in dangerous situations. The Sherp UGV E-ATV combines innovation and ruggedness, setting a new standard for all-terrain vehicles. Tevrean Tetra. Introducing the Tevrean Tetra, a groundbreaking electric ATV that combines high performance with cutting-edge technology. Priced at $5,299, this electric scooter delivers an exciting ride experience. Powered by dual 1,500-watt motors, the Tetra reaches a peak power of 5,000 watts. This gives you an exhilarating top speed of 55 kilometers per hour, perfect for thrill seekers. It's equipped with a 60-volt, 60-amp-hour battery that can cover an impressive range of up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. The Tetra is designed for all types of terrain. It features spring suspension and 13-inch road tires, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're on the street or off-road, the ride quality is unmatched. Safety is a top priority with this ATV. It comes with 4 hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power. The high-quality battery cells, sourced from Blade and SK Innovation, offer reliable safety and durability, so you can ride with confidence. Atlas ATV, the ultimate all-terrain vehicle. Meet the Atlas ATV, your go-to vehicle for conquering any terrain. With its powerful 1.5L turbocharged diesel engine, this beast zooms at up to 60 km per hour on land and 7 km per hour on water. Need to carry more people or equipment? No problem. The Atlas ATV can be customized to transport up to 12 passengers or even fit a stretcher. Equipped with features like a ground guard, differential lock, pneumatic suspension, and adjustable seatbelts, it offers a smooth and safe ride no matter where you're headed. Priced from $159,000 and going up to $175,000 with extras, the Atlas ATV is not only perfect for rugged off-road adventures but is also amphibious, making it incredibly versatile for all kinds of jobs and adventures. Ferox Azaris. The Ferox Azaris is a groundbreaking six-wheeled off-road vehicle. It's designed to push the limits of mobility with advanced propulsion technology. One of its most unique features is its fluid drive system. This system powers the rear wheels, giving the Azaris unmatched maneuverability and adaptability on challenging terrains. The vehicle combines electric motors with hydraulic actuators. This combination allows precise control of each wheel's movement. As a result, it offers superior traction even on uneven or rough surfaces. The Azaris is built with a lightweight design and a modular structure. This makes it highly versatile, whether for adventurous explorations or utility tasks. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a bold step forward in reimagining how machines interact with rugged environments. The Azaris has potential applications in fields like defense, agriculture, and exploration. With its futuristic design and innovative features, the Ferox Azaris redefines off-road mobility for a new era. Ripsaw EV3-F4. The Ripsaw EV3-F4 by How & How Technologies is a luxury tank that redefines off-road performance. This powerhouse combines cutting-edge engineering with top-tier luxury. At its core is a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine. It delivers an incredible 800 horsepower and over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. With this unmatched power, the EV3-F4 can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making it the fastest vehicle in its class. Designed for both adventure and comfort, it seats up to 4 adults. The air ride suspension ensures a smooth ride even on the roughest terrains, while the battle shifter adds precision to its handling. Customization options elevate the experience further. Choose VIP interiors for ultimate luxury or add high-end audio for an immersive sound experience. The vehicle also features helicopter lift points, highlighting its unique versatility. The Ripsaw EV3-F4 is more than just a tank. It's a blend of raw power, engineering brilliance, and rugged elegance. GFG Style Kangaroo, the future of hyper SUVs. The GFG Style Kangaroo is an electric hyper SUV that really turns heads. It's designed for thrill seekers with its 2-seat setup, 4-wheel drive, and 4-wheel steering, allowing it to tackle any terrain and deliver an exhilarating drive. With a powerful 483 horsepower engine, this SUV isn't just about looks, it's built for performance. Created by renowned Italian designer Giorgetto Giugiaro and his son Fabrizio, the Kangaroo is a showcase of cutting-edge design. But it's not just about how it drives or looks, it's also a luxury statement. With a jaw-dropping price of $3 million, it's a rare find that only a few can own. The GFG Style Kangaroo is a peek into the future of high-end SUVs, combining the latest tech with exclusive luxury. Sherp Pro 1000 Unstoppable Force in All-Terrain Vehicles. The Sherp Pro 1000 is built to conquer any terrain. With the ability to carry up to 1,000 kilograms, this all-terrain vehicle is perfect for rugged environments. Whether you're traveling on land or water, the Sherp performs with ease. On land, it can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, while on water, it moves at 3.7 miles per hour. The vehicle accommodates up to 6 passengers, making it a great choice for off-road adventures. One of its standout features is its 35 degrees grade ability, allowing it to climb steep slopes with ease. Powered by a diesel engine, the Sherp Pro 1000 is both fuel efficient and high in torque. It can operate for up to 115 hours, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal noise and vibration. The Sherp Pro 1000's advanced air circulation system automatically adjusts tire pressure to ensure optimal traction, no matter the terrain. Its body is made from corrosion-resistant galvanized steel and lightweight aluminum, offering durability and stability for extreme conditions. If you're looking to tackle off-road challenges, the Sherp Pro 1000 is the perfect choice. Designed to take on the toughest environments, it stands as an unstoppable force in the world of all-terrain vehicles. Stark Future Varg. The Stark Future Varg electric dirt bike is packed with cutting-edge technology and delivers top-tier performance. It's powered by a 360-volt motor encased in carbon fiber. This gives you an impressive range of 60 to 80 horsepower and 938 Nm of torque at the rear wheel, making it a powerful choice for off-road adventures. Charging is quick and convenient with the 3.3 kilowatt charger, compatible with both 120-volt and 240-volt outlets. A full charge takes 3.5 hours on 120 volts and just 2 hours on 240 volts. The Varg is built on a lightweight chromoly steel frame for durability, and it comes with KYB suspension. The suspension offers 310 mm of travel, both at the front and rear, for a smooth and controlled ride on rough terrain. For stopping power, Brembo brakes ensure precise control. The bike is also fitted with Pirelli Scorpion tires, providing excellent traction on a variety of surfaces. Weighing just 118 kilograms, the Varg is easy to handle, with a seat height of 94.7 centimeters and a ground clearance of 37.5 centimeters. This makes it perfect for serious off-road riders looking for a high-performance electric dirt bike.